Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a little cotton candy, I guess, inspired eye look with these pearls. Just something a little different. I'm trying to get into doing more tutorials on my channel, so if you guys have any recommendations, just drop them down below in the comments. I will have all the products listed in the description box below, but if you are interested in seeing how I got this little look, then just keep watching. Okay, since I'm going to be using like bright pastel colors, I'm going in with a white base to make the colors more vibrant. This is just a Jeffree Star Cosmetics concealer and it's in the shade CO. Using the Ice Cream Dream palette by Glamlite, I am picking up the shade Mochi and starting that in the inner portion of the crease. The next shade I'm going in with is Honey Lavender, and I'm just placing it right next to that pink and buffing the two out together. The next shade is going to be Mint Chocolate, and I'm just placing this on the outer corner. Going in with that same concealer from the beginning, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I grabbed the Jeffree Star Cremated palette and picked up his matte white shade in Deathblow and placed that all over the lid. Back to the Ice Cream Dream palette, I'm picking up the shade French Vanilla. It's like a shimmery white just to add some shimmer to the lid. I went ahead and put some pearls in the crease of this look. I used lash glue to get the pearls to stick. I didn't realize till the end of the video though that one eye had 7 pearls and the other had 6, so just ignore that. You'll have to forgive me for my filming on this part, it wasn't the best. I am just now going in with some liners from Glam Vice, and I'm just doing the opposite colors. So we're starting off with the shades Ice Pop, and then Pink Velvet, and then finishing up with the Purple Gelato. So for the lower lash line, I'm going in with the same 3 shades that I used in the crease. With this last shade, I made sure to connect it to the crease shade up top. Going back into the shimmery white shade French Vanilla, I am putting it on my brow bone and then also on the inner corner for some highlight. I tried using some pink and blue mascara, but it didn't end up looking right, so I'm just going in with this mascara from Milk, and then I grabbed a pair of tweezers and kind of clumped them together. Here's the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am by no means a makeup artist, nor do I ever claim to be. I'm just doing this for fun, and I hope to only get better. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!